Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we're going to show you the torque specs and the torque sequence for the camshafts on Hyundai Elantra. This one might be helpful for the Tucson as well, the 1.8 annual engine, and it might work for the 2.0 annual because they share quite a few parts together. So if you remove your camshafts, we'll show you the torque specs and the torque sequence. Stay with us. We have more than 200 videos taking the whole car apart. So if you need anything, most likely we'll make a video. Please subscribe, give a like, and don't forget to check out our official Facebook page. So we'll just get them tight by hand. Okay, just to the point that they start to get tight, but do not get them tight. Okay, and we'll do that to the rest of them and get to the torque sequence. So now we have two kind of bolts. One is big, one is small. The small one is called M6, the big one is M8. The M6 bolts, the torque specs will be 11.8 to 13.7 Newton meters. The big ones, M8, will be 11.6 and M8 will be 18.6 to 22.6 Newton meters. So now the torque specs for those guys. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with bolt number 1, okay, which is this one here. I have ours set at about 22 Newton meters for this one. Okay, this is number 1. You can hear the click. Do not go past the click. Okay, this is number 2. Now we need to find number 3, which is this bolt. Okay, right here. If you go past the click, it will be past the torque specs. Okay, perfect. Now, number 4 will be the one right here. Okay, number 5, this one here. Okay, our torque wrench is messing up a little bit. Number 6. Okay, this is number 6 now. Number 7 will be the one over here. Number 7, 8, 9 here. 10 will be this one here. Torque wrenches. It's in better days. 11 here. 12 on this side. Okay, now we need to find out which is number 13, this one here. Number 14. Number 15 now. Okay, this is number 15. Now we need to go ahead and switch to the 10mm socket. And you don't have to don't use extension. I'll be using extension, but if you use extension you will mess up your torque a little bit. So the correct way is not to use extension, but we lost our deep socket. And I'll just set it just a little bit higher. Okay, in our case M6 bolts need to be 11.8 to 13.7 Newton meters. So I'll set ours quick. Okay, right there. And now we need to go with bolt number 16. Okay, give me a second. Bolt number 16. Okay, click number 17. Number 18 will be the one here. I'll just try without the extension. Let me see if I can get them. Yeah, they'll fit. Number 19. Okay, so that's number 19. I'll just recheck those because I used the extension. Okay, they're good. Now we need number 20, this one here. 21. 22 here. 23 on this side, and we're getting towards the end. $23. Now we need to find 24. 25. Okay, let's see if we have more after that. I think this is it, guys. Okay, that's the last one. So this is it, guys. This is the whole video, the torque specs and the sequence. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Check out our official Facebook page, give a like, subscribe, and see you guys next time.